Hi, my name is Alex Carlucci with Gus & Cho Associates. I want to talk to you about comparing conventional and FHA when it comes to disputes. So when you have disputes on your credit report, conventional is pretty easy. You run it through an automated system. And in that automated system, it will recognize those disputes. And in there, there'll be sentences to say to remove them or not to remove them. And that's the rule. So whatever the computer says, you have to follow. Now when it comes to FHA, it's a little more complicated. I'm going to try to explain it to you the best I can. So all collections and charge-offs, if they're disputed, no matter how old or how much they are, those disputes have to be removed. So all collections, charge-offs, and you know, in the collection section, all those disputes have to be removed. So that's one thing. Now I've gotten away with, if there's a zero balance in this dispute, I've gotten away with not having to remove them, but the rule is all collections have to be removed. Now when it comes to open trade lines, if you have lates in the last 2 years, and the balance, if you add up all the accounts that are disputed and all the balances, so if you have balances of late payments in the last 2 years and those balances add up to more than $1,000, all those have to be removed. If the balances are greater, if they're more than $1,000, they have to be removed. If it's less than $1,000, you can leave all the disputes. So remember, if they all add up and they're less than $1,000, you can leave them. And if it gets approved eligible, you can leave them. The computer doesn't mean anything. Less than $1,000, good. More than $1,000, all of them have to remove. You can't just remove one to get it below $1,000. So keep that in mind. Now, if it's greater than 2 years, it doesn't matter. So if you have an open trade line of a credit card that you had a late payment more than 2 years ago and it was a $10,000 balance, you can leave that one too. So that's how FHA works. All collections, all charge-offs, remove the disputes. Open trade lines greater than $1,000, cumulative, have to be removed if the late payment is marked in the last 2 years. And if it's over 2 years old, you can leave all the disputes on there. So keep that in mind. That's the difference between conventional and FHA disputes and how they look at it. If you got any questions, give me a call, 630-915-7550. Thanks.